The majority of people use garlic as a base to make delicious cooking recipes. But what many people don't know about garlic is that it can be used for many other things that have nothing to do with cooking. In today's video, I will show you some beauty and home tricks that you can do with garlic that will make your life easier and will help you. The last trick will surprise you. Number 1. Fight acne. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce irritation. The allicina that contains the garlic will remove the bacteria that obstruct the pores and cause outbreaks. You just have to rub half a tooth in the problematic area and that's it. The acne will go away little by little. Number 2. Repel mosquitoes and mites. Mosquito bites are quite annoying. Garlic produces a strong pain that mosquitoes hate. You just have to take a clove of garlic without peeling and rub it in the desired area. The mosquitoes will stay away from you. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me so I can greet you in a next video. Number 3. Remove wooden sticks. When working with wood, some splinters tend to get stuck in your fingers. To remove them, cut a clove of garlic in half and rub it in the area where the splinter is. Then place a bandage. This will help alleviate the discomfort and will get rid of the itch after a few hours. Number 4. Use as a pesticide for plants. If you have problems with annoying pests in the garden, garlic is a natural way to stop these bugs and insects. Chop 3 cloves of garlic and let them rest in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil for 24 hours. Then strain the garlic and add a teaspoon of soap and 50 milliliters of water. Water this over the infested plants and the pests will go away. Number 5. Make a multi-purpose cleaner. Chop 3 or 4 cloves of garlic and place them in an atomizer jar. Then pour a little white vinegar next to the juice of a lemon and apply it in the areas you want to disinfect. The bacteria will go away completely. Now that I have told you some uses of garlic, I will share with you the star trick of the day. Number 6. Remove the bark. Garlic is very effective in removing the bark. In a bowl, crush a clove of garlic and add a tablespoon of honey. Also add 2 tablespoons of shampoo or hair wash. Mix all this until it is well integrated. Then apply it to the scalp 3 times a week and the scabs will disappear forever. This will also help reduce the porosity of the hair, thus improving its growth and health. No te preocupes por el olor, ya que se desvanece muy pronto. Today's greeting is for Madeleines Martinez from the Dominican Republic and for Jose Morales from the United States. Help me take this video to someone who needs to know.